In this tutorial I will show you how to apply materials to objects correctly without having weird looks or any other changes like unbalanced scale or orientation problem. Firstly, we don't need the camera, so just delete the camera. After that we should turn on the render mode to see the material effects that we are gonna use in seconds. I use a couple of libraries for both materials and models, but this time I will use one of two materials from Blender Kit. There are plenty of add-ons that you can use, but this one is really handy. I chose one of the bricks materials here because it has a pattern and a good fit here to show the difference clearly. Let's arrange the lights a little bit to see the scene better. After you have applied the material and wanna change the shape or size of it, you can see by default it doesn't look like the way you want. In edit mode we still get the same result. If you try to move or extrude, it behaves differently but doesn't act like the way we want anyway. To solve this issue, what we do here is to change one measure setting first. Go to options drop down menu, check correct face attribute box, and most of our problems will be gone. Okay, let's subdivide this wall and show a couple of more tricks here. When you extrude one of these subdivided faces, you are gonna see the same weird orientation on material, but we can still fix it by just using UV unwrapping. We can try a simple UV unwrap, however it's not gonna behave as we wish for, but we are lucky here, there is more clever one that we can benefit from, and it's Smart UV project. You can experiment with the variables here, but for this one default settings are just fine. In UV editing panel you can scale or rotate to make it look like as you want. It's all up to your taste. I'm gonna scale up a little bit and rotate 90 degrees to match the rest of the wall. I want this part of the wall look like a back tunnel door hidden in the backyard, so I will use some bevel inset and extrude to get the shape that I want. I do some similar works also here to match the rest of it. We can also set and apply another material for this face to make it look like a metal door maybe. After this point it's all fantasy and up to your imagination. I always like the floors. Floors can change the atmosphere of the scene easily. You can experiment as you wish after this point because this is the end of this tutorial. For the content like this, quick and to the point, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day guys.